Okay, today we are going to learn about arithmetic and geometric sequence. Arithmetic and geometric sequence. For example, if I say 1, 4, 7, 10, and I ask you to write the next three terms of this, what you guess about this? What can be the number? The number can be, we will first see the pattern of the sequence. Pattern is it's adding 3. Plus 3 is 4. Again plus 3 is 7. Again plus 3 is 10. And what should be the next number? Plus 3. This is 13. Okay. What is the next number? It is again plus 3. That is 16. And what is again plus 3? That is 19. So this is arithmetic sequence in which something is adding or subtracting, then this is subtracting or adding, then this is arithmetic sequence. For example, if I say the decreasing sequence, what I will say? 19, 16, 13, 10, 7, 4, 1. What is happening here? Now if I ask to write the next three, then how will I write this? 19 minus 3 is 16, minus 3 is 13, minus 3 is 10, minus 3 is 7, minus 3, again minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 5, and minus 3 is minus 8. So that's how we are calculating the arithmetic sequence. This is increasing and this one is decreasing. I hope it is clear. Okay, now tell me the answer in comments. If I write 2, 4, 6, 8, what will be the next three numbers, right? Okay. One more thing here. What is D? D is difference between, if the sequence is adding or subtracting, then the difference between two terms is called as D. For example, here 4 and 1. The difference between 4 and 1 is 3. It is called as D, the difference. Right? It is for adding and subtracting. Please follow and comment for the next video that is about geometric